Very good afternoon everyone. My name is Sanidhya Jain of class 8 from Knowledge Valley School. This is my team partner Agam, Nidan, Jainam, Hitendra, Prabhu, Liju and Ojas. Today we are going to be presenting about the country Ukraine of Europe. Ukraine is a country in Eastern Europe. It is the second largest European country after Russia, which borders it to the east and northeast. It is twice the size of Italy and slightly smaller than the state of Europe. Bordered on the south by the Black Sea and the Sea of Azov, Ukraine shares border with the Eastern European countries Belarus, Hungary, Moldova, Poland, Russia, etc. and so many. Ukraine is often called the breadbasket of Europe because it boosts the ideal condition for growing wheat. Twist is a major producer of the stuff. One of the most unique tourist attractions in Ukraine, so it called the Tunnel of Love. The official language of Ukraine is Ukrainian, which is written in the form of Cyrillic alphabet. It is spoken regularly by 88% of Ukraine's population in their personal life. Now, do you know how many types of Ukraine symbols? There are 5 types of Ukraine symbols. First, trident. These iconic symbols used to represent the Ukraine's independence and strength. Second, sunflower. Sunflower symbolizes Ukraine's strength, culture, tradition, agriculture, heritage, etc. and so many. Third, bison. An important part of Ukrainian folklore and culture for centuries. Fourth, hopak. A high-energy dance that represents Ukraine's pride and identity. Fifth, Ukrainian flag. The blue color represents the sky, while the yellow color represents the wheat fields.
One of the most famous Christmas songs is Ukrainian, which is composed by Michael Leon in 1960. Ukraine has a tasty food history. The national Ukrainian dish is actually red soup made from beetroot. Culture. Ukraine's culture is that often agrarian, rooted in land and nature. Festival. There are 11 public holidays, 3 government holidays, Constitution Day, Independence Day and Defenders Day.
3 religious holidays, Christmas Day, Orthodox Eastern and Orthodox Pentecost.
5 social holidays, New Year Day, International Women's Day, 2 days of International Workers and Victory Day. The most popular festival, New Year Day, it is celebrated on 1st January. On this occasion, Ukraine decorate a new day. They prepare tree festival, dinner, invite guests, and exchange present with relatives and friends.
Ukraine traditional dance and music come from Cossack and Era, etc. The prime of Ukraine is Denis and capital is Kyiv. The president of Ukraine is Vladimir Zelensky. Ukraine lies in a temperature climate zone with warm, humid air from the Atlantic Ocean. Average annual temperature range about 557 degrees Celsius. The average temperature in January. The coldest month is about 3 degrees Celsius. In Teddy, the latest month is about 23 degrees Celsius. Snow falls mainly in late November, early December.
Animal life. The animal life of Ukraine is about 300 species and mammals and more than 200 species of fish. The breed variety includes grapes and hamsters. Food. The rich soil and a favorable climate. Ukraine crop production is highly developed. Its outputs of grains, potatoes is among the world's largest producers of sugar and sunflower oil.
Deforestation. Ukraine has been experiencing deforestation with the loss of tree cover and forest area.
number of factors decreased, including the Russian invasion. From 2001 to 2003, Ukraine lost 1.26 million hectares of trees, which is 11% decrease since 2000.
Some popular sports in Ukraine are football, basketball, gymnastics, biathlon, tennis, etc. The most popular sports among the people of Ukraine is football and biathlon. Other sports are shooting, swimming, boxing, ice hockey, bowling, evil game, etc. Ukraine also offers a variety of outdoor activities are windsurfing and kite surfing, rafting, diving, etc.
Flag is horizontally divided in two colors and they are blue and yellow. The national flag its breadth to length ratio 2 and 2 to 3. The first national flag of Ukraine is adopted in 1848 by revolutionaries who wanted its western part to be freed from authorization rule.
Currently, Ukraine had the most deaths for everyone, like people out of 120 countries. Attributed atmospheric air pollution has been observed not only in typically industrial area, but in Ukraine's capital Kyiv. Main pollution in Ukraine is enterprises of fuels, metallurgy, thermal energy, are coal, oil, gas, and cement industries.
Ukraine ranks the 66th, which indicates a stable but still lower standard of European countries. In 2020, Ukraine ranked the 65th in terms of quality of life of people. Now, Ojas, do you know what is the average salary in Ukraine?
Yes, the typically monthly salary in Ukraine is income in Ukraine average approximately 2,75,800 UAH. Janam, you also know what is the most common crime in Ukraine?
Crime in Ukraine is that the most common street crime is non-violent crime. This non-violent means simple pickpocketing is the most common incident reported by you. Sanita, do you know what is the advantages of living in Ukraine?
Yes, I know the advantages of living in Ukraine is that the Ukraine food is plentiful and relatively cheap. Its variety is almost the same as in other countries. There are many supermarkets available in Ukraine to compare to other countries.
Yes, right.
Liju, do you know what is the problem with Ukraine economy?
Despite this important, Ukraine remains the poorest country in Europe, with some have attitude to high corruption levels and the slow pace of economic liberalization and institutional reform.
There are also significant human rights issues involving Ukrainian government official authority not comparable to the scope of Russia's abuse, which included credible to the reports of unlawful or ability killings, forced disappearance, true and other cruel inhuman. Then, do you know which country has given the most help to Ukraine?
I know, Agam. The European Union and its members have provided the most aid in total military, financial and humanitarian, while the United States has forby provided the most military aid.
There are several internal armed conflicts between the various Ukrainian ideological factions. In the first half of the 20th century, recent war in Ukraine is on 24th February 2022. Russia invaded Ukraine in a major escalation of the Russo-Ukrainian War, which started in 2014. Russia's president named Vladimir claimed that NATO was using Ukraine to threaten Russia.
Ukraine applied for NATO membership in September 2021 after Russia proclaimed it had annexed the country's So, Southeast NATO is defensive alliances of 32 countries from Europe and North America. NATO member states agreed in 2008. Pressure Ukraine so that Russia does not accept membership of NATO, and then Ukraine continuously trying to join NATO.
Ukraine applied for NATO membership in September 2021 after Russia proclaimed had annexed the country's southeast NATO in defensive alliance of 32 countries from Europe and North America. NATO member states agreed at the 2008 that Ukraine will become a member of NATO, but Russia pressurized Ukraine so that Russia does not accept a NATO membership. And then Ukraine is continuously trying to join NATO. Ukraine tried in the end of 2021, but Russia was not agreed that it's a neighbor country except a NATO country because Russia thinks that NATO is its enemy country. Because Russia thinks that NATO is its enemy country, some neighboring countries of Russia have already joined NATO. Now, in 2024, Ukraine is not a NATO member. Ukraine is a NATO member, which means that it cooperates closely with NATO, but it is not covered by the security guarantee. Thank you.